Peace, welcome to the channel. This video is the vlog for the week when I crochet in an entire week. You're gonna see me working on my Etsy orders, some personal crochet projects as well. I'm also catching up on some birthday gifts that I'm giving. So you'll watch me work on all of those things here in the studio and as I'm out and about. You guys know I like to crochet in the car, road trips, while I'm waiting to get my oil changed, all types. I crochet everywhere. So, and the cat has joined us today. Say hi. All right, let's get started on the crochet vlog. So the pattern for this bolero comes from YouTuber AC Crochets. She has a wonderful channel full of wearables such as shawls, skirts, dresses, bikinis, little shorts. She does it all. Cardigans. You can find everything on there if you are into wearables. So if you haven't heard of her, I would definitely recommend go check out her channel. Okay, it is the next day, Monday. I did not finish the bolero, but I will. So here in this clip, you can see me reviewing the pattern and the project from this book, Crochet Girls. I did a video recently where I did review this book. I will link the book in the description of this video, and this is what I made from the patterns. Okay, I chose to make my girl and attach her to a canvas tote bag. So here's my bag. It's just a plain canvas bag. I believe I paid about $2 for it. And here is my finished girl. Isn't she cute? So here she is. I used the hot glue to put her all together. And I did the chain strips here for her hair. She has a high bun. I gave her the glasses, but I forgot to attach this little piece in the middle. I guess I could put it there if I wanted to. But I gave her just the regular reading glasses. I didn't want to do the sunglasses. They look kind of like frog eyes to me. So I just stitched in the eyes here, and I just gave her a simple line for the lips as well. Okay, she's got some earrings that I'm going to hide the tails next, and then we'll attach those here, one on each side. Now, I do think I used too much hot glue because you can see it, so I used a little too much, but there's a trick I can show you guys for that. So when that happens, what I will do is I will find a black or a brown Sharpie, a marker, and I'll go in and cover that glue up. It works, I'm telling you. But you got to make sure that the marker is the exact same color as your yarn. But it works, okay? So I'm going to heat up my hot glue gun, and then I'm going to attach it to my canvas tote bag, okay? All right, it's Tuesday. I am working on a little baby sweater. And this pattern comes from YouTuber Crochet for Baby. I've been watching her for a couple years now. She has some great tutorials. This sweater is 6 to 9 months. And sometimes when I'm looking for baby patterns, it's hard to find the larger sizes. But this one is great, and I've made quite a few of these little sweaters. I really enjoy making them for the babies in different colors.
This second row. I finished the second row. I have a total of 92 double crochets. Now for row 3, chain 2 and turn. Now beginning on top of the first, double crochet, make a double crochet and a double crochet into each one of these stitches.
Today is Wednesday and I have completed this little baby set, which is on my Etsy page. The customer ordered the camouflage hat and the little gold booties. You can see in the next picture that this is a review picture, so customers will send me pictures of the baby wearing the item. I just love to see it. If you ordered something from me and you're wearing it, or you gifted it and there's a baby that's wearing it, I love to see those pictures. You can send them to me and post them on my Etsy as well. Okay, it is Thursday, and what you see me working on now is a 13-inch doll, and she is fully customizable when you order her on my Etsy page. So you can request her hair color, the hairstyle, her little outfit, the skin tone, all those things. I love making these dolls. I think they're so cute. And the original pattern comes from a YouTube channel and published crochet artist as well. Her channel is My Pretty Brown Doll. So you can go on her channel and find a tutorial for this doll. But she also has larger, like 18 or 20-inch dolls that are in a book that she published. So My Pretty Brown Doll is the link, and I've put it in the description of the video as well. Okay, here is the finished baby set, which includes the striped hat and the little booties. This is in size 3 to 6 months, and it is ready to be shipped out to the customer. Aren't they cute? Okay, it is the end of the week, and I know at the beginning of the week you saw me starting the shrug. It is still not finished, and it's not finished because I had to start over. Well, not from the very beginning, but I had to start the second panel over because I tried it on and it was too small. It was too tight. It's not for me, but I could still tell that it was a little too tight. So I had to start over, but it is almost done. And you can see it's going to go over her head up here, and then it kind of sits on the shoulders, right? So I slip stitched the sleeves together on both sides, so that is done. And then I added some extra rows down the front and the back panels, you know, just so it has a little bit more coverage. And now I'm working on making the sleeves longer. So I know I would have been finished this a lot sooner if I hadn't started over. And like the next time I make this, I know now that I've done the pattern once, it'll go a lot quicker the next time, right? So right now I'm just finishing the sleeves, and we will have this done. I'll be ready to gift it, and we will move on to the next sweater. Okay, that concludes this week's vlog, and you guys saw me making the bolero, baby booties, baby sweater, 13-inch crochet custom doll, and we did an applique as well for the canvas tote bag. Lots of fun stuff. Right now I am working on a crochet hoodie, and I'll show you guys that in the next video. I know it's going to take a while to finish it. I just finished like the front and the back panels, and now it's actually a crochet hexagon cardigan that I'm going to turn into a hoodie. Like it's going to be cute. It's cute. So you guys will see that in the next video. And I want to shout out, before I forget, subscriber Belle Raven. Thank you for choosing to subscribe and for joining me in the vlogs and the videos and the tutorials. I appreciate you being here, and I hope that you continue to come back, and as well as the rest of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys, and make sure you hit the like and the share button. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so you don't miss any of the new content. You can also follow me on my Instagram channel, Illis Crochet. And if you want to place any orders or find any patterns, I do have an Etsy shop as well. All right, guys, please take care.